Okay, so you have sold your home or you've bought a new home and it's time to start packing. If you're like me, you don't know where to start. Well, you're in luck because today I'm here with Shellie Law, who is with Wheaton Worldwide, and she's going to give us some expert tips on packing up your home. What would be your first tip for our viewers?
The first one would be to avoid packing any type of breakables in plastic totes. Plastic totes have a history of crushing, which will break your breakables, which is what you're trying not to do. Right. So that's not what you're trying to do.
And I would say that's a revelation for me because I always thought they were stronger.
No, they are not actually. Actually, your cardboard boxes are much better. If you go with your moving company as far as getting materials, a dish pack would be the way to go.
Okay, what's tip number 2?
Use lots and lots and lots of packing paper.
Okay.
That is probably the biggest mistake people will make is they think, oh, I'll save money, I'll just use one sheet of paper for that plate. In actuality, you should probably use 3 or 4.
Okay, that makes sense. And tip number 3?
Heavy items like books. Some folks want to pack them in a really very, very large box. In reality, a very small box, which is just about a 1.5 cubic foot, will weigh about 35 pounds once it is full of books. A good measure is to use something similar to a copy paper box.
Okay, so pack them in more boxes,
More boxes, smaller boxes for books, because again, if you've got a 35-pound box and you put twice that many in a bigger box, the bottom of the box is going to break.
You can't
yeah.
lift it. Yeah, right. Well, thank you very much, Shellie. And you know what? If you want to simplify your life and have Shellie's team pack for you, I'm going to have her contact information on the next slide. If this video was helpful, please like and share.
Thank you.